Did you know that if your firm has a corporate subscription with Legalwise, you can self-register for seminars using your subscription points? Here's how. First, contact your company's account manager to get your unique subscription points ID associated with your corporate subscription. Next, visit the Legalwise Seminars website and browse through the available seminars using the practice area. Once you've found the seminar you'd like to attend, click the Register button. At this stage, you'll be given 3 options: log into your account, create a new account, or continue as a guest. We recommend logging in or creating an account, but should you choose to continue as a guest, fill in your details, including your name, email, and any required information. Once you've filled in your details, proceed to the Payment Options section. On the registration form, select the Pay by Subscription option. In the provided field, enter the subscription points ID you received from your account manager. After entering your subscription ID, click Submit. You'll receive an immediate confirmation on the screen and a confirmation email. And that's it! You're now registered for your CPD seminar using your company's corporate subscription.